What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video with Affinity, we're going to learn how to flip and how to rotate the artboard. So we need to click on Document, click on Rotate 90 clockwise. You can see the shortcut right here, Control Alt Shift and up on your keyboard. So let's click on first Rotate 90 clockwise. And next here rotate 90 counterclockwise. You can see the shortcut Control Alt Shift and down. Let's click. Next here we have the flip horizontal and flip vertical. So first we are going to click on flip horizontal. So Control Alt Shift and left. Let's click. Let's click on the next, which is flip vertical. You can use the shortcut Control Alt Shift right. So this is how we can rotate and flip the artboard with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. Take care and goodbye.